Hello everyone, today I will be teaching how to match the colors of interior images in Photoshop. Go to File, Open and select the first image you have saved. Then go to File, Open again and select the second image. On the second image, in the Layers panel, you will see a lock icon. Unlock it by clicking on the lock button. Next, right click on it and do duplicate layer. Select the first image as the destination in your dialog box. After that, switch it to first image. Now resize it by doing Ctrl T. Scale it down to make it smaller. After that, select the first image. If it is locked, unlock it. Then go to the image adjustment and match colors. In the source option, select the second image and in the layer, select the appropriate layer. After that, now adjust the luminance and the color intensity and fade slider until you are satisfied with the result. After that, click OK. You can turn off this layer 1 to compare. Since Since the color matching has been applied to the first image, and that's it, you are done. Follow us for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.